Hi, welcome to Madras Academy. In this session, we are going to learn about Java technology. What is Java? Introduction about Java technology. Short introduction about Java key feature. About Java software. These are all the topics we are going to cover in this session. First, what is Java? Java is a object-oriented programming language. It is a high-level programming language. It is secure. It is case sensitive. The file extension of Java is .java. It is platform independent. That means it can run in any operating system. Without class, not able to write a single line code in Java. In Java, we have 53 reserved keywords. All the words are only in lowercase. Java is mostly used to control the electronic device. For example, robotic application is the best example for the electronic device. It supports the multi-threading process. It was created in 1991 by James Gonsley at Sun Microsystem. Now it is handed over to Oracle Corporation. The Oak is the first name of Java. In 1994, Oak is renamed as Java and it publicly announced by the Sun Microsystem. We have different versions of Java. Starting from 1.02 till up to 19, we have different versions. 1.0 is released in 1996 and 19 version is released in 2022. Okay, but we have a different version. In this, the major version is Java 8. Okay, it is released in 2014. So this is a major version and using this version only we are going to write the programs here. We have to download the Java 8 version. We have to install it in your system. I will tell you how to install the Java 8 version. Okay. Next, Java technology. So what are the Java technologies we are having? We have three types of technology. One is Java Second Standard Edition, that is J2 SC. Java Second Standard Edition. Using this, we can create the Windows-based application. Windows-based application. For example, we have a calculator in our system, right? So that is opening in a window format only. Okay. So that kind of format applications we can create it here using J2 SC. Okay. And then J2 ME, that is Java Second Micro Edition. Using this we can create the mobile application. Okay, mobile application. This is a normal mobile application, and as well as if you learn the basics of core Java, you can able to develop the Android applications also. For that also we need a Java basic. Okay, so you can able to create the Android mobile applications also. Okay, so this is J2 ME, and then J2 EE, Java Second Enterprise Edition. Okay, we can create the enterprise level applications like, for example, EJP concept. Using EJP, we can create the applications here. Okay, Enterprise Java Bean, like that we are telling. That is a CRM application. Okay, so like that kind of applications we can create it using J2 EE. So these are all the three types of technologies we are having. If you need to learn this type of technology, you have to learn the basics of core Java. Okay, this is the main thing. If you learn this basics, you can able to develop all kind of applications in Java. So what we are going to learn this basics of core Java. So how to create the class, functions, how to handle the variables, operators, okay, control statement. So these are all the concepts we are going to learn in this core Java topic. Okay, so first we will start the core Java topic. Okay, how to write the programs in core Java in basic level. We'll complete that logical concept, and then we will move on to the advanced technology, whether it is J2SC, J2ME or J2EE, like that. Okay, and as well as we are having a Java framework also, such as Spring, Hibernate, Spring Boot, like that. Okay, if you are going to learn this type of technology, for this also we need a basic knowledge of core Java. Okay, so we have to cover core Java, and we are going to plan first core Java topic, and then we will move on to the advanced technologies and how to create the applications using that technology. We'll see one by one. We'll give the separate interaction for each and every technologies, and we'll see that topics also. Key features of Java. It is platform independent. It is simple, easy to learn. It is case sensitive. It support object oriented programming language. It is secure. Okay, we can create the secure application here. Okay, and without class, not able to write the single variable declaration or single code also. Okay, so we need to create the class, and then only we can write the programs here. Okay, so without class we are not supposed to create the code. Mandatorily we need to create the class, but if you take C++, there in C++ we are having an object oriented concept, but main function we are writing outside of the class only, not inside the class. Okay, and in that language we can declare the global declaration, local variable. Anywhere we can declare the variable declaration, we can able to use it. But here we need to declare all the variable inside the class, not outside of the class. Okay, Java has built-in security features such as memory management. That is pointer will not support here. Okay, so that it is called as a robust. Okay, so these are all the key features in Java. For Java software, we need to install the Notepad Plus. Okay, first I'm going to take a core Java session. Okay, first I'm going to take a core Java. Okay, so not a advanced technology. Okay, so framework, or I'm not going to take that J2SC, J2ME, this type of technology. First I'm going to take the core Java. So for that I need a Notepad Plus only. Okay, using command prompt I'm going to execute the program, and once we will move on to the advanced technology, in that time we need a Eclipse or NetBeans is a editor, or we can call as a IDE, integrated development environment. Okay, so we need to install this any one of the software in your system, and then we will create the other application. First, for the beginners we need to use the Notepad Plus. Okay, that is a plain notepad. Okay, so we have to create all the programs, all the line by line coding we have to write it. And if we did any one of the mistakes, now once you compile the program, it will display the error message in that time. Okay, so that is a good practice to write the program in Java. Okay, so in my point of view, I'm going to use a Notepad Plus to create the core Java application code. Okay, so after that, while we move on to the advanced technology, we will use Eclipse or NetBeans. Okay, this two software we need, and right now I need only the Notepad Plus. So you just go to this link and download the software and install it in your system. Okay, and we need Java software also, and Java 8 version you have to download it. For Java 8 version download, go to this link and download the software. And this is the link. Okay, this is a Java 8 version. Okay, you just click here and download the software. Okay, and install it in your system. Okay, so after installing the software, we need to set the common path. Okay, then only we can able to execute that software code in any other drive in your system. Okay, so how to set the common path, everything we'll see it in a next session. Okay, so only this two software we need. This is for the editor, Notepad plus. Okay, here only we need to write the code. Okay, and using this software, I'm going to execute the program. We need to install this software, Java 8 version. Okay, so only two softwares we need. Okay, so first we will complete this basics of core Java, and then we will move on to the advanced technologies, whatever we are having here. Okay, thanks for watching.